Typhoon Lan will hit the Tokai to Kinki region on Tuesday, August 15. According to the Japan Meteorological Agency, Lan is currently moving slowly northwestward over the sea south of Hachijojima Island, with maximum wind speeds of up to 55 meters per second. The storm is expected to move northwestward over the sea south of Japan until the 14th, then change direction and move northward on the 15th of August, approaching the area from Kinki to Tokai and making landfall. From tomorrow, eastern and western Japan will experience heavy rain. The Tokai region will have rainfall of up to 300 millimeters, the Kinki region 200 millimeters, Shikoku region 150 millimeters, Kanto, Koshin, and Aizu Islands 100 millimeters. In addition, the Japan Meteorological Agency also warns that coastal areas from Kanto to Kinki will have waves up to 4-8 m high.